friends, in our previous video we saw an unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M12. Now we got a back cover for it. Let's unbox. This back cover is very comfortable and this material is very smooth. I can feel the four corners is very hard. So if it falls down, there is a very less chance that it will get damaged. There is a clip over here. You should open it and put our hand inside it so the phone doesn't fall apart. We can also use it like a stand like this to watch movies and videos. The phone cover is very comfortable to hold. I feel my phone is protected now. If you buy a phone, I would recommend to buy a hard case that your phone is protected. Thanks for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then please do it.